Hello everyone, Namaste, my name is Prince Aryan and I am from class 6. So today in this video we shall be discussing about a very interesting topic, which is understanding LCM. So what is basically LCM, we are going to learn in our today's video. So without wasting much more time, let's start our video. So basically, what is going to be our learning target for today's video? Today's video, what is our target? Our target is you must be able to find the LCM of any two numbers. Okay, so like any two, or you can say more than 2 as well. Okay, if you can also find the HCF of any number more than 2 as well, but in this video we shall be mostly focusing on the two means two numbers. Okay, we will not go to the examples of more than two numbers. So are you ready for this journey? Let's start. So now let's understand some basic terms of this. So now what is LCM? First of all, let's understand. Let me choose a different color pen. Yes, so what is a LCM? So LCM means the lowest common multiple. Acha. So when we take two numbers, we have some common multiples of them. Take the example of 25 and 65. When we take their both multiples, okay, so this is multiples. When we take both of their multiples, like for suppose the multiples of 25 is like 25, 50, 75 and 65 would be something like that. So when we take the multiples, there must be something common in them. Like for example, let me say, this is not actually correct, but let me say for example, like we have 50, a number 50 is there. For suppose let's think that 50 is there in 25 and 50 is also there in 65. So in that case 50 is the common multiple. We can also understand this by the using of the variable x. So for suppose x is a number that is a multiple of 25 as well, and x is a number that is a multiple of 65 as well. So x is the common multiple of 25 and 65. This is what common multiple means. But now we have to find what does LCM means lowest common factor. Lowest common multiple. So what is that? So for suppose we have taken two numbers. For suppose let's take the same numbers, 25 and 65. So let's take the same numbers, 25 and 65. Done. So like first of all we have found a multiple which was x. Okay, so then after we find some other multiples as well, like y, and some others as well. Like if we talk about x, so x we have already taken, so let's take off z. So among them, x, y, z, these are three distinct common multiples of these three. So among them there must be something among these three. There must be something lowest, one must be smallest and one must be the biggest. So in case, let us take the example of x. X is the smallest of all of these. So in that case, x is the lowest common multiple of 25 and 65. Got it? So this is what we say as the lowest common multiple, or the LCM. Okay, now next thing we need to understand is about what does LCM mean. So once I'm going to show you the definition of this LCM. Among the multiple of two or more numbers, the least and the smallest one is going to be the LCM. So here first of all what we need to understand, among the multiples of 2 and 2 or more number, among your here you must write common. Okay, there is a typing error. So this thing you can take a screenshot or you can note it down in your copy so that it would be better for you to remember. So among the common multiples of 2 or more number, the least and the smallest one is known as the LCM. Okay, so now let's find some ways through which by using those we can find this LCM, isn't it? So let's find some ways, the better ways to find the LCM. Okay, alright, so what's the process? First of all, suppose let's take an example of the LCM of 12 and 14, isn't it? It would be better 12 and 14. Alright, in that case, so we have taken 12 and 14. So first of all we are going to do the prime factorization of 12. Now first of all, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is the process in which we break down numbers into the prime factors of that. Something like, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and the list goes on and on. So these are the prime numbers. Done. So like we have to use all of these numbers and make the prime find the product in the cases of primes. So let me choose a bit thinner one and a different color. So let's first find out 12. So you find it something like this. So then you put a line over here. So what we are going to do to 12 to make it divide, so we can easily put 2. So 2 is a prime number and we can divide it and get 6. Now it can be again be divisible by 2 and then 3. Now we have got a prime number. We are going to stop here. So what's of 12? What the prime factorization of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. Otherwise we can say this as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Done. Now we have done of 14. Sorry, we have done of 12. Now let's check out of 14. Alright, so let me erase this much. So of 12 we have got it. Now let's talk about 14. So first of all, as I have said, we are going to do the same cake method. 14. So first of all, now what you're going to do, you're going to first of all divide it with 2. You're going to get 7. 7 is a prime number. We are going to stop here and write this much till here to here. In that case also, here like it was 2, 2 and 3. So here you need to multiply all of these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. Done. So in this case, so alright, we are done with that. So it is going to be 2 into 7. Alright, now in the next step what you need to do is you need to find the common among them. Let me take black. So first of all, what we have found out, 2 into 2 into 3, then 2 into 7. Now next comes the crucial step. Now you need to find the maximum occurrence of the different digits that you find here. Means, for suppose you what are the different numbers that you, or what are the different numerals of the digits you find here? 2, then we find 3 and 7. These are, okay, 1 second, yes, 7. So these are the 3 numbers that we find in our this group, right? So in that case, so among them which is the most we need to find the occurrence. So 2 occurs. So what with the numbers 2, 3 and 7. Now first let's find out 2. What is the maximum occurrence of 2? Means 2, it maximum how many times it occurred. So as we can see over here, 2 occurred maximum 2 times here, but here only 1 time it occurred, right? So this can't be the maximum. Okay, so like 2 occurred just for 2 times. So in that case we are going to write 2 into 2. Maximum occurrence of 2 was 2 times, so 2 into 2. Then maximum occurrence of 3. So the maximum occurrence of 3 was something like 1 time. What's the maximum occurrence of 7? Well, the maximum occurrence of 7, as we know, was only 1 time. So in that case, what you are going to do, you are going to just multiply up this number and you're going to get your answer as the HCF. Okay, sorry, LCM. So now that means 84 is the LCM. If you want to see a clear up step, here you can see. So like this only we to find the LCM. Now let's talk about some examples. So it is saying let's find the let's find the LCM of these both numbers that you can see on your screen right now. So 40 and 48 and LCM of 12 and 15. I'm not going to explain you this thing, but I'm going to show you how this is done. See, in this question, this is our number 1 question that I have solved. So don't think that I won't be giving you some questions to practice. Don't worry, I'm going to be giving you. So find the LCM of this thing. So what's the process? You see, I have highlighted the process for you. Please check the process and do it. See, this is what is we find the LCM of 12 and 15. In big letters I have written that you know that this is the LCM of 12 and 15. Check out. Okay, now check out the step 1 and then we're going to do it. Okay, done. Now as we have found out the result of the first one, we need to find the result of this one. This is not done. Caution sign here. So now who is going to do this for us? So it's your job to do this part by your own. Okay, so find the LCM of 40 and 48 and write it down in the comment box below. Alright, and also be sure to write #prince, okay, along with your answer. Done. So now this much we are going to do in our today's video, and you got to do this, right? So I hope you like this video, and for such more fun and amazing videos, be sure to subscribe my channel, Prince Master Champ Education with Fun. I will be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye everyone. Thank you.